If you've ever tried making pizza at home and ended up with a soggy crust, uneven cheese, or that oven pizza, but worse taste, you're not alone. The truth is, most home ovens just can't reach the kind of heat needed for real restaurant-style pizza, and that's exactly where things start to fall apart. Today, we're looking at the Ooni Koda 16 propane gas pizza oven, a compact outdoor oven that promises 60-second, stone-baked pizzas right in your backyard. This is built for home cooks, pizza lovers, and anyone who wants that wood-fired style result without the learning curve of a traditional pizza oven. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Koda 16 feels surprisingly minimal but intentional. The powder-coated carbon steel body gives it a sturdy, almost industrial feel without being overly heavy or complicated. It doesn't try to look fancy, it looks functional, like something designed to take heat seriously. The folding legs make it easy to set up on a patio table, and once the pizza stone is in place, everything feels locked and ready. What stands out most is how ready to cook it feels straight out of the box. There's no assembly maze, no confusing parts. Just connect the gas, and you're basically good to go. Where this oven really starts to shine is in real use. It heats up fast, around 20 minutes, and once it's roaring at high temperature, you're working in a completely different cooking environment compared to a home oven. We're talking extreme heat that cooks pizza in about a minute, which means you're not just baking pizza, you're actively managing it like a live fire setup. That sounds intense, but in practice, it's actually pretty simple. You rotate the pizza once or twice, watch the crust bubble and char, and within seconds, you've got something that looks and tastes like it came from a proper pizza kitchen. The gas ignition makes startup easy, and because it runs on propane, you don't deal with smoke, wood, or cleanup headaches afterward. Of course, it's not perfect. The biggest learning curve is heat control and timing. That high temperature is a double-edged sword. Great results if you're paying attention, but can burn your pizza fast if you zone out for even a few seconds. It also takes a bit of practice to get consistent results, especially if you're new to high heat cooking. On the plus side, cleanup is refreshingly simple, and the overall workflow is much faster than traditional ovens once you get the hang of it. Compared to similar outdoor pizza ovens in this price range, the Koda 16 sits in a sweet spot. Cheaper models often struggle to maintain consistent heat or take longer to recover between pizzas, while higher-end ovens may offer slightly more precision, but at a much higher cost and complexity. What makes this one stand out is how balanced it feels. It delivers near professional results without requiring professional-level setup or maintenance. So, who is this actually for? If you love pizza nights, enjoy cooking outdoors, or want to impress friends without turning dinner into a full-day project, this is an easy recommendation. But if you're expecting a completely set and forget appliance, or you're not comfortable working with high heat and quick timing, it might take some patience before you get consistent results. Overall, the Ooni Koda 16 feels less like a gadget and more like a shift in how you cook pizza at home. And if you're ready to upgrade your pizza game, check the link below, drop a like if this helped, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this.